Hi friends, welcome back to DTeach Show YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tech solutions on the internet. I'm Dulan, and I'm beyond excited to share our latest video with all of you today. First, you need to come desktop and simply press Windows button with R key together for Windows Run Program. Then type this command and press Enter. Expand computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows component, then click on the Windows update. Find out Configure Automatic Updates and double-click on it. After that, you've got pop-up box like this. Normally, it will be selected Not Configured. Change it into Disabled and press Apply OK. Now you can check if this works or not from Windows Update settings on your computer. In Windows Update settings, it shows like this. It works. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Good luck. Have a nice day.